In our third and final unit, we're going to kind of cover some higher processes or something. I've sort of generically titled this unit Cognitive Processes. It's not perhaps the greatest label, but it's something, something. In this one, we're going to be talking about motivation, which is a fascinating topic to discuss. We'll follow that up with emotions, cognition. As we go through here, we're going to have discussions of language and how language influences our views of the world. We'll talk some morality, justice, what equals fair, and we'll terminate it with living in multicultural worlds. More specifically, what does it mean to live, the immigration experience, acculturation from one culture to another, etc. So, motivation. Some motives are, of course, universal, such as hunger, and some motivations or motives rather are not, like saving face. So, we're going to talk about how to distinguish between universal versus culturally based motivators. When we come into emotions, we're going to start to introduce language because there are many, many, many emotions that some languages find to be incredibly large part of their cultural environment that English might not even have a word for them. Okay, so we're going to find that again there are aspects of emotions that are in fact universal, but many, many, many aspects that are culture bound. When it comes to cognition, we're going to find people categorize things differently. They combine things differently. They remember things differently. Clearly, even though two people may be exposed to the exact same event, two people from two different cultural contexts will see different things and remember different things. When we get to morality, we're going to find the way that the Western view of morality runs is very Western biased. And so the biggest theory in this area is, of course, Lawrence Kohlberg. And we'll find that Lawrence Kohlberg's foundational views don't make sense once you leave a Western context. And then finally, one that is put in this unit, and it had to go somewhere, but acculturation, that is to say, the experience of immigrants as they move from one culture to another, and also what happens when an individual has experiences from more than one cultural unit.